There's 24 colors, fabric colors that you get here. Very simple. You can mix them up if you want to make different colors. Give you nice results on fabric, and we're using it for shoes. So if you guys are gonna start coloring your shoes, doing stuff like that, this could be useful for you guys. So not bad. First time doing it on the shoes, you know. She did a great job. A little final results of the paint, what they can do. We're still going to touch up a little bit of the black in here, a little bit more, put some more coloring here, different color tone. We're going to mix it up the little colors so we could get that little color, but not bad what the colors can do. Now we're going to spray it with a protector cover, and that should do it.